Think about this. Why is it that some people ordinary, average, no different than you, suddenly rise, multiply their income, build empires, and leave legacies that last for generations, while others spend their entire lives stuck, frustrated, and broke? The difference is not luck. It's not who their parents were. It's the level of burning desire they cultivated and the exact steps they followed to transform that desire into reality. And now, you're about to see how it actually works in real life. Napoleon Hill explains that countless men and women have put these 6 steps into practice, and the results are astonishing. Success, he says, is not a mystery. It's a formula. And when applied with obsession, that formula bends circumstances, opportunities, and even other people in your favor. One powerful truth here is this. The subconscious mind accepts what you feed it. If you feed it vague thoughts, you get vague results. If you feed it specific, burning desire repeated daily, you create a belief so strong that it drives every action you take. And belief, backed by action, produces results. Think about the great fortunes of America. Steel, oil, railroads, automobiles, technology. Behind every empire was someone who refused to let go of their desire. Andrew Carnegie began as a poor boy but became one of the richest men of his era. Henry Ford had little education but imagined affordable cars for every family in America. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times, but his desire for light never went out. What did they all have in common? They held on to desire with persistence until the world eventually conformed to their vision. Desire was the fuel, persistence was the engine. The 6-step method was the map. Hill makes it clear, temporary defeat is not failure. Most people quit after a few setbacks, but the winners, the ones who create generational wealth and change the world, see defeat only as feedback. They rise stronger, sharper, and more determined. Here's the part most people miss. When you commit fully to your desire, unseen forces seem to align with you. Opportunities appear. Mentors show up. Resources come into your life as if summoned. Is it magic? No. It's the power of a mind so focused that it notices possibilities others ignore. So here's the challenge for you. Will you let your dreams remain casual wishes, drifting away with time? Or will you follow this blueprint? Fix your goal, define your price, create your plan, repeat it until your subconscious accepts nothing less than victory. Because remember this, success doesn't come to those who wait. Success comes to those who decide, desire, and act until the world has no choice but to give them exactly what they demand. And that is how ordinary people become legends.